Alright, so now we're going to talk about what happens if you get too greedy
County traffic
when you're trying to depart. You're trying to climb, you didn't learn that slow flight lesson again.
26, North
So to set up for this, we're going to put ourselves in the takeoff configuration. We're pretty much there, but what I like to do is I'll pull the power back, and I'm going to get us down to about 60 knots again. The reason for this, some people will just go with full power and then try to do this maneuver, and it takes forever, and it just doesn't work as well. All right, so what I'm going to do is I get to 60, I'm going to slowly start feeding in power as I pull that nose up. I'm going to pull that nose up. And you got to be completely asleep
uniform, left downwind 26.
To somehow stall this thing. Got all this power in. Okay, so here's my warning. And I'm still pulling back like an idiot. And there's my brake. So in order to recover, I just go to level, because that's all I can do.
Valley traffic, car 295 direct range, 4.5 miles south of the airport.
Alright, teach me your ways, sir.
Alright, so power on stall. So other than the power off stall, the power on stall is like the word says, power is in. So we're not going to be configured like we're in the landing configuration, we're going to be more configured like we are taking off or climbing out. Maybe you're trying to climb over an obstacle, and you're just trying to get too greedy, and a power on stall will happen. So with this, we want to slow down to about 60, and we'll try to maintain altitude and slow down to about 60. Once we hit 60, we'll start bringing the power in and start pitching up. I'm going to start bringing power in and start slowly pitching up. With this, you're going to see how high the nose is, and you're really going to have to be pretty well asleep to not see this one.
It's 3 miles
now we're about 50.
Northeast of the airport.
There is stall imminent. Bit of buffer. Make sure we stay.
Traffic, Warrior 5342 Foxtrot on a 45 to the left downwind, runway 28, car loud.
Oh, there's stall imminent.
Alright, there's the brake.
And we'll just go straight to straight level.
Final 25,